iFunny App 101. Why is iFunny the forbidden app? iFunny is a mobile app and website dedicated to humor and entertainment. It was launched in 2011 and is available for both iOS and Android devices. The platform allows users to view, share, and create memes, GIFs, and other comedic content. Here are some key features of the iFunny app. 1. Home feed. Users can browse a personalized feed of funny images, videos, and memes curated based on their interests and previous interactions. 2. Featured section, a collection of the most popular and trending content on the platform, updated daily. 3. Subscriptions, users can subscribe to their favorite creators to see more of their content and get updates when new posts are made. 4. Create and share, the app provides tools for users to create their own memes, GIFs, and videos. These creations can be shared within the iFunny community or on other social media platforms. 5. Community. iFunny has a strong community aspect, where users can comment on, like, and share posts. They can also participate in discussions and interact with other members. 6. Tags and search. Content is organized with tags, making it easy for users to find specific types of humor or follow particular trends. 7. Moderation. iFunny has moderation policies to prevent the spread of inappropriate content and to maintain a friendly and enjoyable environment for all users.